Welcome to Module 2 of our course, Making Money Online in 2023, the strategies and opportunities. In this module, we'll be exploring some of the models to make money. There are many different ways to make money online, and in this model, we'll be covering 6 of the most popular business models. And anywhere you are, you can really engage and start any of this online. And I'll be showing you a couple of platforms that you can get started and begin to make money using these business models. So we'll be looking at the e-commerce, that's you're selling physical or digital products online. You'd have a couple of e-commerce platforms that you can make use of. Digital marketing, driving traffic and sales to your website. And content creation, how you can monetize your skills and expertise. And also we'll be looking at affiliate marketing, how you can promote other people's products and services, and you can begin to earn massively from this. Online coaching and consulting, how you can begin to help others solve their problems and get revenues directly without getting to meet them physically. Also, we'll be looking at virtual events and webinars, how you can begin to host and monetize online gatherings. So let's start by looking at e-commerce. And e-commerce it has been for a very long time. And if you watch my previous video and you saw the trajectory of increase, you see it's tending towards over for two over $200 billion, okay, in revenue, and it just keeps increasing. Now, the first platform I will be showing you is eBay. All right, so you go to ebay.com. You simply create an account on ebay.com, create an account, and then go to the sell option. So on the sell option, you have the ability to list your items, physical or digital products in your shop, and then it gets shown for you and people begin to display it. And like you can see, you list your item, you get seller protection, and then you choose when you want to get paid. So you may say, oh, you want eBay to keep your money towards a particular time, and then when you make money for maybe a week, 2 weeks, or a month, then they pay you. So you must have a PayPal account. Sometimes I think you can also make use of pay owner depending on where you are. But if you stay in the United States of America, you can use your direct bank, I guess. So you can begin to make use of that. So it's an amazing platform with which you can begin to sell your physical and your digital products. The second platform we'll be looking at has to do with Amazon. So Amazon has been on for a very long time, and then you can make use of Amazon. You have a lot of categories and you put it in there, talk about your product. And with the evolution of ChatGPT, you can just go to ChatGPT, put in that you're requesting for a sample and compelling, convincing product description for your, maybe for a mobile phone, or maybe for a body cream, or maybe for a baby toy, and then it begins to generate that for you. So let me give an example. So I want to say, for example, you can see, please AI, give me a compelling product description for baby toys. Let's begin the way to say, do the magic. Okay, do the magic. A compelling product description for baby toys. Let's begin to look at these. Waiting, waiting. Get it done. Gets it done. Gets it done. Right, please hold on a sec. It's getting it done. Awesome. You can see introducing a line of baby toys designed to delight and stimulate your little one's senses. Made with non-toxic soft materials, our toys are safe and comfortable for your baby to play with. Each toy is thoughtfully crafted to promote cognitive development, motor skills, and sensory exploration. And you can see all of that. So you just copy this as a product description, put it in eBay or Amazon, and then put the image there and put it there so you could get to sell it for you. And you can also do well to market those products over and over again. Now, another platform you can also make use of is Shopify. You can also make use of Shopify. Okay, you open an account, put it in there, you decide you want to sell, go to the sell option, online store, overview examples, and all of that. And then you can put it in there and also sell. So you have your own online store with which you could sell your product. And then for every time you make a sale on Shopify, Shopify charges you a percentage while you get the rest. So there are also other platforms like Visa. Visa also gives you the ability to open an online store with which you can list your product and then you can get people to sell for you. And another platform you can also make use of if you sell digital products is Seller, Selar.co. When you go on Seller, you can enlist your product and also market your product. You really don't need to do so much. Enlist your product in there, put the description there, whether it's an online course, whether it's. So let me show an example of Seller. So Seller.co. Maybe I should show you an example of my own Seller store. So this is my own Seller store. You can see some of my products, Mindshift, a lot of my products are on Seller. Okay. And one thing you can also always do is people can just search you out with your name and they could be listed, it could be listed on Google as part of your search item. Okay. So it's very, very amazing. You can use any of these platforms and sell your product, digital or physical products. All right. I hope you're learning so much. So you can create your own online store, sell products through marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Seller, or you can also do drop shipping. Use the drop shipping model. What do you have to do when you make use of the drop shipping model? You simply identify certain products, market those products on your platform, order for those products, put in your logistics and your profits, and then people can get those products from you while you get your own product. Okay, a lot of people order for materials from China and then they order for those products and those people put their bills on, they get those products when they are delivered and then get it to the end customers. All right. So another one I want to talk about is digital marketing. Okay, digital marketing. So whether you're selling online, you would need this particular part, whether you need to do Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads. Okay, but there is one powerful one which I want to show you, and it's called Google Ads. Google Ads. Google Ads is so powerful. And because there are billions of people who make use of Google, billions of people who watch videos on YouTube, you can really open a YouTube channel, create a short video, very convincing video. You can go to ChatGPT, request for a convincing script to sell a product, okay, or to draw people to click. And then you go to ads.google.com and then you must have a Google My Business account with which you can access all of these. So this is what we will be doing. So I'm going to go to my Google Ads account. So you must have a Google Gmail. And when you have that done, I can sign in here. So when I choose to sign in, the next thing you can do is you say a new Google Ads account. When you open that, it's going to ask for a couple of things from you. So if, for example, you're selling a digital product, it's going to ask you for your business name. So we'll say, what's your business name? So I can just say maybe Growth of Africa. Growth of Africa. Next. Okay. So when you type in your business name, it could be your name, for example. Now, for example, it's asking for my website. In a case, if, for example, I don't have a website, I can choose to just put in my maybe YouTube channel. Okay, the link to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/c/ so I can just put this here. I move next. So it's going to scan through the website and it's going to display it for me here. Okay, so if you don't have a website, you may have a Facebook account, you may have a YouTube account, just put it in there and then you click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to ask for your goal. So in a case whereby, for example, I want more people to call me, I would select this. If I want people to go to my website and get my product, I select these. If I want people to come to my physical location, maybe I'm pushing out for an online event, or I'm pushing out, I want people to come to my store, I want people to come to my office, I want people to come from my workshop, get more visits to my physical location. But if I need people to just watch my video, engage my video, view my video, where I've decided to market that product, I would select this. Okay, for example, in this case, I want to make use of get more views. Now, when I've done that, so if, for example, you have a blog, you want more people to go in there, you select a website. So I want to drive video views and traffic. So I will look for the link of that video. I put it here, I click on next, select my options, and before I know it, make payments, and then I'm done. And one amazing thing about Google Ads is that it's really relatively cheap, and you can get so much of result with a very, very low budget. So if, for example, I want to show you an example of one. Now, this one, and I ran these for, I think, with about maybe $10 thereabout, or no, €10, and you can see the impression 29,700K plus people. There was an impression on them, and we got about 640 views. If out of these 640 views, I got, say, for example, 10%, 64 people called me for a product of $10. It means I've made back how much? I've made back 64 times 10, $640, and I spent less than that. So it's really amazing that you can get so much result from Google AdSense, and you can also go ahead, watch the Google development. There's a Google product called Google Digital Scale. You can go on Google, search for it, take the course. It directs you on how to do so much with Google Ads. Okay. So because of time, I'll be going to the very next, where we'll be talking about content creation. Okay. But before we do that, I hope you've gotten so much value from this two business model. If you did, go to the comment section. Let me see so much more that you have learned and so much that you've gotten from this course. See you in the next course. See you in the next model.